Yeah, now recording is dead. Just stop the recording now. Option.
Okay.
So now see here. So last what we discussed. Last what we discussed. Okay, yesterday discussing as a SAP arbitrary architecture. So in architecture, discussing as a type of application server. Again here, what is meaning of instance and what is the difference between central instance and parallel instance, and what is the meaning of work process. So those things will be discussed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So today you can go for discussing as a. So as a basis controller, you are the initiator. After you are installing SAP software, then what we'll do? So we can making as a. So you want to create the user for remaining all requirements. So how to give the authorization to remaining all requirements? We go for one by one. Okay. So how are you providing authorization? Okay. How are you providing as a transition for a particular term? So everything we are discussing one by one now. Okay. So now I want to make a presenter you. Please share your screen now. How to create the user, how to get the full authorization. Will we go for one by one? So please share your screen now.
Yeah, I share already.
Yeah. Now go open SAP GUI.
Yes.
Okay. Now just click on login button.
Username.
Yeah, same. Yesterday Anu, ANU Anu.
Yes.
Okay. And password is ANU at rate 123 a capital letter. Anu at rate 1234.
A is
A
capital.
capital letter.
Okay. And you
Yes.
at the rate 1234.
Sorry. 2018. Once I had 2018. 123. 2018.
ANU at the rate 2018.
Yes.
2018. Okay.
Okay. Right.
So I have to put the hit enter or not?
Yeah, just click on enter button.
User Anu already logged in client 800.
Just click on continue. Continue this logger, ending with other sessions. Yes. Okay, now I want to creating as a one user ID. Okay, so how to create the user ID? Okay, so I think you know this awareness of these icons and transition code, everything. Maximize the screen. RS neck explain each and every icon, what the purpose of icon.
Yeah, general ledger
Hands.
account. This general ledger account, receivable account, payable contract. Okay, banks.
It is a finance. Actually, this is the finance menu. You have to actually standard menu is different. Somebody changing the menu. Okay,
No
I'm
problem.
asking, you know, the overall icons, icons and hands and experience, how you know which server you login. So everything, these days. So you have previous experience on for this to hands-on on this SAP software?
No, I don't have any experience. I am totally nil. I am totally e-business suite man.
Sorry, DBA.
I am e-business suite DBA.
Okay, fine.
Oracle any
Okay.
product. Oracle any product. I am the DBA of architect of DBA any product. Oracle any.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, so now coming to here, so above one is then that is called as a toolbar.
Yeah, it's toolbar.
Okay, first one you can calling as a toolbar. The first of all green color OK mark is that is called as a enter. Okay, suppose you want to typing as any shortcut. Coming to shortcut is nothing but you can calling as a transaction code. Sir, what is meaning of transaction code is nothing but so you want to navigating from SAP software like one screen to another screen. You're using as a transaction code also. Without you don't know transaction code, you cannot navigating from one screen to another screen. So compulsory you want to know the shortcut, then only you can navigating from one screen to another. This is one, just assume it's one applications. Okay. Now next to Kara, what is that text field is in a drop down list. That is called as a command field. Okay. Recently, what type of transaction code is typing? So everything is storing into here only. Okay. So next one, go for next icon. That is called, if you want to close the command field, you can close it. So RS, no need for that. Maximum, no need for that. Okay. And next icon, disable user. What is this icon?
Save.
The icon and preferences, you can save it. Okay. Next icon. What is next icon? So back option, green color is that is also disabled because of this is the only initial screen. You don't back again. So that's why it's a disable. So next one, yellow color. So I want to log off this server, so you can checking as a log off. Okay, so I want to cancel. Suppose I'm unfortunately I want to editing something. Unfortunately, I'm typing as some wrong. So I want to cancel the operation. You have to go for next icon. That is a cancel. That is also disabled here. Okay, next one here printing. So I want to printing the screen or printing any documentation you're using as a printing icon. Okay, next one find option. So if you're finding any user ID, if you want finding any details, you can using as a find. So next one here find next. So already say suppose Srini, Srini1, Srini2, Srini. I'm finding Srini automatically getting overall. So I want to finding next. So automatically just click on find next. The log information, then you have to go for first page, next page, previous page, and last page. Okay. So I want to open the sessions. Means I want to open the new tab. When you come normal, like you can say new tabs. Like when you go for controller, same thing here. I want to open the one more session. You can go for create the new sessions. Okay.
Generate software.
Next one is the shortcut. So if you want to generate this as a shortcut for this entire screen, you can go with shortcut for that. Okay. Next one is the help. Sir, I want to know any field information. You have to go for press F1 or a help button. And next one is this is the settings, customizing the layout. So you want to customizing this entire screen. What the screen is available. Okay. So next one here, naming is an SAP Easy Access for finance accounting. So means each and every screen will be having as a what is the purpose of that screen is mentioned as a that SAP Easy Access finance. This is just guidance purpose. Under that we'll be having as a you can calling as a application bar or application menu. Okay, application menu. So initial screen nothing will be there, and right side you having as a menu is there na. Actually this is the finance department. When you go for first time when you log in, so you somebody changing actually. You're getting as a SAP Easy Access only. Means every module list you have to display here.
Yeah.
Coming to this, what happened only finance department only for display. But when you go for is normally if you're defining as overall basis department, ABAP department, BA department, every module list will be displayed right side only. Okay, left side logo is in SAP basis is in actually you have to put in as your client logo. So which client you are working, you have to put in as your client logo. Okay, so next one here, sir, how we know which user ID I'm logging? Unfortunately, I had to forget it. Which user ID I want to log in? Okay, and what a client number? What is the system I'm logging? So below here in arrow mark is there. Just click on under the logo. Will be having some small arrow mark. That would arrow mark is there. Yes, just click on that arrow mark. Now you're getting as information regarding your application server. So what is meaning VCC? VCC is nothing but your SID. Okay, one is nothing but you're opening one session. Suppose I want to open one more session. Again, create one more session. Just click on create button. So create a new session. Previous, above last to fourth icon. In toolbar, last to fourth icon. Create a new session. How to get a new session? Last to next one. After pages is next one. Yes. Okay, automatically see that now what happened? You get the number will be changed. Wait,
why should we?
Number will be changed.
What is the purpose to change this? Because if I have one session already,
yes.
What is the need to go to another session? I can manipulate everything in one session.
You cannot manipulate everything in one session. Suppose now, unfortunately, I had to performing as a some in between I want to perform some coding, I'm writing some coding, anything else. So I don't disturbing that. I want to open system, I want to perform one more operation. Within the same screen, you cannot perform anything. So I want to open against one more application. So at that time, you can go for as a slash. For example, in Google Chrome, why you want to open multiple tabs? Because of I want to perform against different types of operations. Only one session you have to perform only one operation. So I want to perform multiple operations. You have to open the multiple sessions.
Okay. That
Okay.
means this is somewhere else server is already installed with the all modules.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So everybody practice the same. Nothing is there. Everybody practicing this only. Okay. Yeah. So next one here. Okay. Now maximize again. Yeah, maximize the screen. So now here getting as a number is 2. What is the meaning 2 here?
Session 2 of ID 800.
Yes. Yes. Sessions 2 is open. Fine. Again 800. 800 is your client number. Sir, what is the client? We'll discuss later. And next one is the what is the GC system is. So where are you installing this application service that computer name? So already when you log in, when you create a GUI session, what is the detail you're entering? You are entering as a only a what are the detail you're entering? You are entering as a IP address. Already told that. So how are you accessing as a application server? Either you can entering as IP address, either you can entering as a host name. So how you know my host name is nothing but here you can observe. What is the host name here? So GC ECC62. So that server you're accessing now your computer. Now you want to practice everything. Where we store is nothing but so everything storing this computer only.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Yes. And again expand that after 800 you just expand that.
This one.
Arrow mark. Just click on the arrow mark. Just click on arrow mark up after 800. No. Again expand it. Again 800 on arrow mark. Just click on that. Yes. Now you're getting as a user data like here. What is system you login? What is the client number you login? What is the user ID? What is the by default background? What is the program is running? I want to open this screen. What the program is running on? Okay. And what are the transaction you will open? No, I'm not opening anything. It's your initial screen. And response time. What is the meaning of response time here? So
Network.
yesterday we discussed.
Yeah, network response time, service response time.
Yeah. So your service means first you have to go for presentation to application, application to database. Again, database you have to retrieve the data from the database. Again, you want to get application server, application to GUI. This overall journey in calling as a response time. Okay. Next one is the interpretation time. Means you want to converting your English language to your voice language. That will go for interpretation time, conversion language. Okay. So number of trips and flashes. Server is by default is to browse with flashes. Okay, fine. So this is the initial screen is available in anywhere, everywhere. So who are logging SAP server first time? This is the initial screen you're getting. Okay. So now what is doing? Sir, I want to create as a user ID for any other cons. Then what we'll do? You can use one shortcut. You can call it a transaction code. So go for transaction code SU01. Means you have to opening as a SU01. Go for command field, type the command SU01. You can call it as a transaction code 01. Then click on enter button. Either manually, either the green color OK button is there, you can use it there. So what is the purpose of SU01?
This is user.
Yeah, user maintenance for initial scale. User maintenance is nothing but user creation, change. See the icon, what icons is there? You can create the user, you can change the user, you can display the users, only display mode. Okay, if you delete the user, you can copy the users, you can log. So this is calling what we call, you can calling as a, what we can calling as a application bar menu, right? SU01 is the one application, that application, what are the icons is there that will display with you. Okay. Yeah.
No. Okay.
Okay. Now here user is there, na? So that is not a text box. You can calling as a browsing option. After user will be another is sir, how is this a browsing? Sir, I want to know this particular server, how many users is available. I want to know overall detail. Just click on browsing option. It is not a text box. Text box is nothing but only square symbol is there. But after square, you have some browsing is there. Just click on browsing option.
Where
Is nothing but say number of fields. So how many fields is entered, sir, and everything. Just click on browse option.
here?
Just press that. Just click. Yes, just click. Yes. So anyway, the text box field will be available. We can calling as a browsing option only. Okay, now here's here, which way again is searching filtering. Again, so you have to filtering user by address data, user by logon data, user by profile. So if you know username and last name, past name, you can find it. So here below is then a maximum number of is. So only 500 is available. So I want to remove the 500. It will display the overall how many users will be there. Everything is displayed one by one. Sir, I don't know anything about that. So remove the 500. I want to know how many entries are found. Yes, how many users are available to this particular application server. Remove that 500. Then click on OK button.
Search button.
Click on OK. It is a OK button. OK button, you can click on OK. See how many entries is found totally, how many users are found totally. Below calculation is there. 484 users are found. Okay. Clear?
Okay.
Yes. So these are the all user IDs. Now I want to find my user ID. Which user ID login? You will log in into the Anu. Yeah, just click on Control F. Or is that finding icon is there na? Find now find it. Just Anu. Type it Anu. People are not? Yeah. So here what is the last name of Anu? Rani00. Okay. So these are just I can just go for icons only, not do any operation. Then closes. Sir, I want to creating as a my user ID. How to creating as a my user ID? Okay. Then go for close this. Close this. Now enter your user ID, Mushkar.
Okay.
Yes. Then click on create icon.
This one.
Create. Yeah, create icon. Okay. Now you have to enter your details like address, logon data, rows, profiles, everything. Okay. So now I want to everything. So you'll be getting as a I want to enter every details. You take lot of time. So even when you're registering as any registration form, so how you know it is a mandatory field or not? Yeah, asterisk symbol is there. Okay. Now I want to prepping as any web form or anything. So how is a mandatory field or not?
But that's strict.
How is a mandatory field? Yeah, asterisk symbol. Now here in SAP, sir, which is a mandatory field? How you know that? So the text mark OK button is there, a tick mark is there. That is a mandatory field. Remaining is not mandatory field.
This one.
Here coming to this address tab, what is the mandatory field here? So last name is the mandatory field.
Yes.
So that is the only tick mark. Remaining every tick mark is available? No. So now I want to bring as a last name. But in real time, when you go for product, you have to bring overall detail. But I don't want now. So enter the last name. Even the user ID should be on your company specific. You're starting A letter, B letter, some numeric, so your wish. But you don't have is a training system and no need for that. Okay. So again here, so you don't have fax number. So you want to remove the fax number. You have fax number 000. Remove the fax number. You don't have any fax number. Yes. Remove that. Remove that. Okay. Then go for logon data. Now everything is fine. Yeah, next tab. Go for logon data tab. Logon data tab. Next tab. Address tab is fine. In address tab, you are entering only last name.
Okay. Then communication.
Okay. Now you want to go for next tab. No need to anything. If you want anything, then go for next tab. Logon data tab.
Okay. Alias means as a.
Yeah. And no need for is not a mandatory. It's in anything. Just same name is available. Okay. So next one is enter the initial password. So So give the initial password and repeated password.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on save button. I think there's some restrictions is there here. I think save it. Just click on save button. Save icon. Yes. Yeah. So your Mushkar was created. Okay. Now go for SAP login initial screen. Now you have to log on to Mushkar user ID. How to log in Anu user ID? Again, you have to log on to Mushkar user ID. Okay, go for SAP login screen. No need to log on. Yeah, just click on this is the login page. Okay, then click on login. Login. Just click on login. No, that is only. You're open now already server detail. That's correct. What happened? Yeah, just click on login or double click on it. Below is login icon is there. Other just double click on it. Okay, now enter the user ID and enter the password. Okay, then click on OK button. Enter. Now change the password. First time when you log in, that is a dummy password. This is the real password. Okay. Click on OK. Okay. Now which user? How you know which user I'm logging? Where we check? Yeah, 800 is there. Now after 800, we'll be having one icon. Just expand that icon.
Yes.
Okay, so this is users. Now, if you're typing any again, you want to create one more user, type the transition SU01.
SU01 is a command.
Yeah, it's a command shortcut.
Okay.
Okay, can you call it as a transaction code? So in SAP compulsory, you want to know that this transaction code, then only you can practice. Without this transaction code, you cannot navigate, not the basis department, any department. Okay. Now what happened? You're getting one error. What error is there?
You are not authorized to use transaction code because I don't have rights, I hope.
Yeah. So when you create the user ID, what are the details you are providing?
Just only mandatory.
Yeah, I had to only add mandatory field. That is the last name and
First name.
password you provided.
Yeah.
You enable authorization. And how to go the full authorization? Okay. So
Okay.
already opening as Anu user ID. Na? Go for Anu user ID. Anu is administrator here. Go first.
Yes.
Already we're open. Na? Just go for that.
Okay.
Next one. Next SAP user management. No, SAP user. Okay. Here only. Na? Yeah. Here. SAP user management is there. Na? This is okay. Fine. Anu, you go for transaction code. Means already open somewhere. That's fake. Go for SU01.
No, it's not coming.
What happened? No, already open it. Maybe session is expired here. Can now we typing SU01?
Can I
Yes,
close
it's
this?
ended actually. Yeah, close it, no problem. Log off this. So how you log it? Can you just command / and ex?
Sorry?
So this is the Mushkar user ID. You don't have authorization to practice anything.
I have to log out this.
No need to log off. Just wait for it. Again, log on to a new user ID. Again, go for log on page. Initial screen. This is one. Again, click on login. Again, yeah, no. The password is saved.
Password is
Anu
ANU
@
at the
calculator.
rate
Okay, Anu yes.
ANU at the rate 2018.
Yes. Okay, already is login means already some kind. So just click on continue. Remaining all session is ending. Now click on OK. The session is closed. Just need closed. Okay. Now go for SU01.
We have to edit the user.
No, yeah, now enter the user ID. Which user ID you want to edit it? Okay, then click on change button.
Mm-hmm.
Now go for profile tab. Profile tab. Yes, give the profile name SAP_all. So what is this profile? See the text. Click on enter. Just enter.
All
Now what
SAP
is the purpose
system,
of this?
all system, all
Yes.
SAP system authorization.
Okay, in real time, this authorization only basis consultant and security consultant will be authorization for this. Okay, the remaining all consulting can restrict it, that I will explain later. So who are providing this access? This access is only for the so only have
SAP,
the
SAP.
basis consultant and security consultant will be having full authorization. Remaining all consultant will be have, you can restrict it. Okay, how we restrict will be discussed later. Then click on save button. Now you have now Mushkar is also administrator user ID. Now log on to the Mushkar. Already we log in. Please check it where we log in. Already log in Mushkar and now you can type it. Previously you were getting an error there. You were not authorized to files. Now email is accessing. Now accessing to again.
Yes, this is the my user.
Yes. Now check it. Now is able to accessing or not?
Yeah.
Now is able to accessing. Because it is a full authorization. Now just check it. Which is Mushkar only.
Yeah.
Yes. Now type the transaction SVG domain.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now it's done. So again here, again I want to create one more user ID. Mushkar 1 or 2. Give the remove the fax number, give the logon data.
Load data.
Yeah,
Load
just click
data.
on logon data. Yes.
Save it.
Yes. Okay, now user was created successfully.
So I have to one more time log in.
Yes. Yes. No, no need to log in, no problem. Okay. Now again you're getting the same thing now. Same again you're typing anything, you're getting as error is you are not authorized to perform this transaction. Okay, again you're getting. Now here I want to go for next icon, display icon. Okay, so what is the purpose of display? Here you only display, we cannot do any changes here. No need to log in, no need to log in. Again you're getting same thing, no problem.
Okay.
So previously how the Mushkar is getting same thing. Okay. Now click on change button. Now click on display next icon. Display mode. Just click on display mode. Display mode. Display is nothing but spectacles. No. Spectacle symbol. Next icon.
Which one?
Go for next icon. No, next icon. Spectacle symbols is there. Now after change button we have the spectacle icon.
Okay.
Specs. Okay. Then click on display. So now here OP on. Okay. So you have only display mode. So who are creating this user ID?
My score.
Yeah, what time is creating?
This time. This second.
Yeah, so this particular. Okay, again, what are the logon data, what are the last name is it? Only display mode. If you try to change anything, if you try to change anything is possible, try to do any changes.
No.
No, you cannot do any changes here because it's a display mode. So in real time, if you see any, like I want to know some, I want to getting some any authorization issue. So at that time, what we'll do? Then I want to checking who are create this user ID. Okay, when is create user ID, I want to know that. Okay, then you have to go for display mode. Even I want to know what are the authorizations is there, what are the rows will be there. So everything you can checking only display mode. In real time, we want to give the yes. Okay,
Yeah.
and then go back.
Go back means you have to here or closed.
Yes, no, just go back here. Just blue color is there, no?
Blue color. This one.
Yeah, no, yellow. Sorry, green color. Back option is there. Just go
Okay.
back. Yeah.
Otherwise F3 is there.
Yes. Okay. Now here, next icon deletion. If you want already that employee is resigning, then what will I want to deleting? Others I want to deactivate it. Next icon. What is next icon here? Deactivation. Okay. So deletion is there. The next icon. No, not delete. That is a cancelled operation. After display, what is the next icon here?
Delete.
Yes. No need to delete, just wait. Hey, wait, okay. And next icon, sir, I want to creating as a same user ID multiple times. So at that time, doing a lot of, then what we do, I can do the copy. Okay, just click on copy. I want again, I should say one more user ID, same details, I want one more user ID. Okay, then click on copy. So how to do the user copy? Go for run SUG, just click on copy. Yeah, click on that icon. It's asking as a from user ID and to you. To is a newly created user ID. So enter the new user ID, Mushkir 1, Mushkir 2, Mushkir 3, any you use. From is nothing, or where you take that, where you copy the data. Again, just wait. What are the details you copied? The checkbox is the except what the data is not copied here.
Is address not copied?
Yeah, even address is same. Both are will be both users behind. Both are not having same address. Even if you have same address, you can check the checkbox. Okay, remaining what are details, default, profiles, and everything is copied. Except one more piece also is there.
Which one?
Okay. No, again here, you copy the overall, choose the person, even overall data is copied. Like
Yes, overall data is copied.
default. Yes. Okay, except one tab is missing. Why the tab is missing here?
Password tab.
Password is not.
Yeah, password is not there.
Because the both users will be on same address, but unfortunately, password is not copied. Okay, then click on copy option. So even address also same, just click on address also, just click on checkbook address also there, then
Okay.
yeah. Okay, now go for give the
Is it possible I can load the total server in my computer?
yeah, you can move it.
Okay.
That is installation topic. If you want, you have hardware config, you can starting as a once user administration topic is there, you can starting as installation topic. Okay.
Okay. Who is taking the security classes? You will say
Sorry,
HANA class. You will take or someone else?
I'm only taking HANA administration. Na? Yeah, I'm only taking it. Why?
Okay. Because after that I will join, I think, HANA.
Okay, fine. HANA administration. Okay, I will only take it. Okay, fine. Yeah, now click on save button. Now, so this is a way of you want to copy the data from one user to another user ID. Okay. The next one, so I want to log this user ID. So how to log this user ID? So just click on log button. Here two types of log is there: manual log and auto. Auto, just click on log button.
Nursery one is logged. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, in the production, how you creating the user means
Same.
initiating. No, I'm asking the initiating from the client. Suppose I have around 1,500 users, and
Yes.
you have some authorizations, workflow authorization to create the users. At last, it is coming to me to some forms and authorizations, or how you are creating procedures.
Yeah, that will be discussed. That will be discussed. This is the administrator that we'll discuss later.
Okay.
So now you're creating as a administrator user IDs. Now I want to stick in this remaining all. So this guy will be providing only this particular access. That is a different. So this is not a security. This is small security. You have to get a hands-on experience. That's why I give the small things. Okay. So now user bus. So you have to discuss it. This user administration taking as more than 5 to 6 hours. Session is 5 to 6 hours is there. You're only on past 10 minutes only starting. Okay.
I'm
discussing everything.
I am wish
Okay.
to learn the 10 hours also, no problem.
Yeah. Okay. Now go for my shoot one. Ready now log. Now what is status is there?
Sorry.
No, log on. Go for log on screen.
Okay, open. I have to log in screen.
Yeah. Mashur one, and just enter the password. Now you want to get in as a one error.
User is logged.
Yes, because you're locking. Again, how to unlock it? Again, go for SU01 full authorization card. Okay, now just click again the same symbol only. Unlock it.
Come in.
No, the lock symbol only. Both is the lock you can do, unlock you can do. Click on close it. Yes.
I think we have to.
Yes. No. What happened? Unlock it. Just click on unlock. Unlock is done. Same lock. Same.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it is not accepting now. SU01.
No. It's accepting now.
Here, it not.
Yeah.
It not. It's not taking. This is logged. This complete thing is logged here. See.
Is hanging. Something. So again, log into another screen.
Network connection is down.
Okay. Again, log in.
No, from to server network connection is not there.
Not seven. It's two logins.
No,
Even it go. Just click on login again. Yes.
it's not connect. Not login.
Why? Double click on again.
No, it's showing the
Double click on the.
secure network connection is not enabled from server side.
No. This is different. That is secure means you are logging
Okay.
GUI based.
Now it's scaled.
Your normal. Yeah. It's came because you not configure any secure network connection. You have secure network.
I have a total. Okay, no problem. I will configure tomorrow.
Yeah. Sorry.
I will configure tomorrow secure connection. No problem.
Okay, fine. No, you can using your user ID. Mushkar user ID. Mushkar is also full authorization, no? First time you can use user ID, Mushkar user ID, that is also full access guy.
Okay.
You can using that user ID daily, you can practice purpose. Because if I want to know that who are practicing or not practicing. No, Mushkar. First time create user ID, not Masood. Mushkar is there, no?
No, it is sometimes it is local tab order defined. Okay.
No, just click on login button. No need to try to again test. Just double click on it. Automatically is login. Chapter with full access.
Close.
Yeah, already you log in. That's why session is closed. Okay, now go for SU01, enter the Mashur one, unlock them. Same symbol, yes. Now locked by the system, just click on unlock. Now is login. This is the one method. You can do the manual
Yes, manual
log
also
on.
go on
Again,
go.
log out. Sorry?
Okay. So must
Now go for SA again. Just yeah, again SU go for SU again. Go for SAP logger screen. Okay. Now no, just wait. Type the password wrong. Manually type the password wrong. Type it first time. Type the password wrong.
okay.
First item. Okay. Second item. Again try to second item. Again type the password wrong. Third item. Automatically session was closed. Enter. Now again log on to the Mashur user ID. 3 attempts automatically the session is closed. Means it's warning. Hey, your password is wrong. Again you can log on. Mashur one. Again type the password wrong. Now what happened? See here.
Password no longer possible. Too many time attempt. Okay.
Like your bank account.
Yeah.
So you are typing as internet banking, you are typing as a 3 times wrong, automatically what happened? The password user was locked. Again, automatically is unlock is also done. Now how to unlock this user ID? Again, what we'll do? Go for transaction code SU01. See here why the reason lock code due to unlock. So these are two reasons. Two. After unlocking, then again what we'll do? You can reset the password. How to reset the password?
You have to log in, then it will give you password resetting.
It is the last icon. Last icon. Last icon. Yeah, click on change button. Okay, so now password is changed. Okay, so this is the way of you want to maintain only one user at a time. Okay, again you want to log in Mashur one or Mashur one is login is done. Okay, so this is the way of you have single users you have to maintain. Sir, in real time we have a lot of users is available. Then at that time what will you?
Mm-hmm.
A login. Yeah, again you're typing anything, you not authorize anything because you don't give any authorization to master one.
Okay.
Okay, type anything.
In the
Yeah,
real time,
yeah.
huge user will be there, 1,000 or 2,000 users. A bank
Yes,
domain, it is
yes.
a many users.
Yes, yes. That is a scripting method. Now is a single, na?
Hmm.
No, that is the next concept. Sir, how to creating as a mass users? Okay, then you have to go for transaction code SU10. I want to creating as 100 users, 200 user data. We can using as a SU10. Then go for next one. Go for transaction code SU1. Single user means SU01. Now when you go for as mass user, you have to go for SU10. Okay, now go for Mashur user ID, full authorization guide, type the transaction code SU10.
SU10.
Yes. You don't have authorization, you log in Mashur, no?
Okay,
Mashur,
okay.
you don't have any address, type it. Type it, you're getting as a, you're not authorized. Okay,
Yeah, unauthorized.
okay, because you give only last name and this.
Okay, this is the unknown user.
Yeah, now Mashur, log out to Mashur, we're having the full authorization. Log out, how to log up is nothing but Either you can using as a that icon, either you can using as a slash and ex, slash and ex, slash and ex to
Slash
log up the open session.
N.
N for ex, E for England, X for GS. Click on that, automatically session is log off. Enter button. Okay, the session is closed. Every session. So now, okay, then now you have to log in Mushkar. Already log in Mushkar. Then go for transition code SU10. No, not here. Once you log in, then only you can load.
User
Okay, now you
maintenance.
have enter the user IDs. Yes, this is for SAP user minimum mass changes. Mass
Okay.
is nothing but one. Okay, so now you can go for type the transition code one by one. Like sorry, enter the user IDs. What are user? Mushkar 1, Mushkar 2, Mushkar 3, Mushkar 4, Mushkar 5. So enter the user IDs. What are the user IDs you want to create? Enter the user IDs. Like you have to fill in as overall tabs one by one, one by one, one by one.
Then the details.
Okay, now 3. No need. Sorry. Close it, close it, close it. Now I'm explaining now. So just okay. Now you
Yes.
have to enter the overall fields one by one. Then just click on create button. Create
Okay.
icon.
Can I?
Yeah, create it.
Okay.
Okay. Now what is the same tab? Address tab. When you go for address tab, just go for address tab. What is the difference you observed from SU01 address tab coming to here? What is the difference you observed?
Because there is a one single page and all the things was there, and here is
Yeah,
one by one user I have to
yeah,
do all the things.
yeah. Yes, here, sir, single user you can providing as a only one by one user ID. That's fine. So you have to provide individual username and password. But here now you're creating as a multiple user IDs. So address will be is not common for multiple users. At that time, what we'll do? So you have to specify as a company address. Every user will be having a different communication address.
Mhm.
But I want to create a bulk. At that time, what we'll do? We are using as a company address only.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Okay.
Then go for logon data. Next tab, go for logon data. What are details is say? When we go
User
for
type.
01, what are details and entering? Yes.
User type dialogues.
What are the details? Yeah, I
System.
had to enter. No. Previously, as usual, what are you are entering as the initial password, repeat password,
Yeah.
but the option
Yes.
is not available. Because a single user you can providing as a individual
Mhm.
password. But now I multiple users how it is. That's why system will be generate the password.
Okay.
Okay, system. Then click on save button. Click on save button automatically. What how many change how many users creating here? 3
Three.
users are created. Okay. Click on yes button. Okay. Now how you know that? Just expand the date. Now I want to know where the passwords are. Just expand the date. Now you can so expand the user each and user ID one by one user ID. Okay, this is the password. After colon you have the that is the password. Again, Mushkil to open the user ID where the password is there.
Mhm.
Again, the password same or different? So every user ID password is different.
Different.
Again, expand to 3 also. Okay. Sir, this much password you have to maintain is very difficult. Then what we'll do? You have to maintain to the Excel sheet. Close everything. This close this everything. Like minimize everything one by one. Yes. Now select the date. No. Select the date. Just double click on date. No. Close everything. Close everything. Everything. Yes. Close everything. Just double click on date. Double click on.
Yes. It came like this.
So you have means you are able to downloading this. Here downloading option is there, no? So after table symbol you have an icon is there. Just click on that. That is a downloading. No. Left side. Left side. Yeah, after table left next one. Next icon. Yes. So this is called exporting. You click on it, just exporting. So where are we exporting? So you have to exporting as to into your files. It's your desktop. Just click on that icon. That arrow mark, small arrow mark is there. No. Yes. So where are we storing? You have to maybe in the device, you have to send your email address. Are you storing local file? And no, I have a local file. Just select the local file. I want to share it to my desktop. Okay, again, how the format is, we want Excel sheet format and only unconverted format, you want to the notepad format, spreadsheet is Excel sheet. Okay, click on OK button. Now give the directory, change the directory or desktop or document somewhere else. Okay, dot Excel, dot XSS, and click on generate it. Okay, save it, where is to?
The generate.
Yeah, generate. Okay, allow the. Okay, now trust. Just check it. The data is getting or not. Now, when you go for, you have to forward to those guys. Again, those are login. When you log in, is asking as a please change the password. Okay, copy the password. Now select the user. It automatically getting it. No? Select the user. Select the entry. A mushkil was created. That again, generate. Just click on generate. No. Generate. Just click on generate.
Where?
We do the Excel sheet is generate. Mushkar one is having your generate option is there, na? Generate a password of user.
Yes.
Below. Yes. Now you can copy the password. Copy the after yes. Everything after colon till colon. Yes, copy that. Now you can log in. Now go for SAP. Log on page. Enter that user ID. Paste it. No need to type it. Just paste it. Control V. Copy is done. Just click on Control V. Copy is not done. Okay. Not typing. You're not
Yes.
pasting. You're not pasting that. User ID is correct.
Yeah. Maskur one.
Yeah. Password. MA na. MA. But your typing is MA. Na?
Okay. Control X. No problem. MASHKUR.
The user ID is wrong. Please check the user ID. Paste it. Control V. Enter. Now he's asking us, please change it. You cannot change the password. Again, you don't have any authorization. So how you provide authorization, we go for that. Discuss later. Okay. So this is the way of you have to. Sir, now I want to getting one doubt and go for again SV10.
Here?
No. Previously where we creating Mushkar, na, go for Mushkar, let's go for where we create user IDs. You don't have authorization, na? No. This is Mushkar user. Where we creating already open screen. Just check it. After go to meeting, second icon, second one.
Is
User maintenance. No, not here. That not this. Where we creating just need to copy the password, downloading the password. So mass users. Next one.
This
Yeah,
one.
Laos. Yes. Okay, now go back. Just go back. Yes. Sir, everybody will be have go for now. Select all user IDs. Select the user IDs. Now I want to changing as a company. Okay.
Hmm.
Now select all user. Select entire row. Select is my row wise. Selecting as entire row wise, one by one, one by one. Row wise, row wise. Entire row you can select it. No, no. Starting row is there. How we can select Excel sheet? Yes. No, no. Yes. Yes. That's what. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then click on change the button. Change it. Yes. Okay. Now go for address tab. Now, what the company address is assigning? So is assigning so and so company. Sir, I want to give this my company address. Okay, how to create the company address? Then go for transaction code /go. So I want to open one more session. Okay, how to open one more session? No problem. How to open one more session? Open a new session. No, no, remove that store. How to open a new session? Yeah, just click on that. No, no, the next icon. Yes, just click on that session. Now we're using this session. Why? Because now I want to click company address. Just click on start SAP Access.
SAP.
Yeah, that is one. Just click on just click on start the SAP Access. The pop-up is there. Just click on. It's getting an issue screen. Now type the transaction code SUCOMP. SUCOMP.
Hmm.
Okay. Now enter the company address. Yeah, click on create button.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what are the mandatory fields here there?
Here,
Which is the mandatory? Yeah,
country.
country and time zone. That country and time zone. Time zone. Select the time zone.
+4, +4,
Yeah.
+3, 3. Can I search here?
Yes. No, no. Is after is done. No, no. What is the time zone you were looking at? Dubai's time zone is different, no? Yes. 4 plus is Afghanistan, minus is AST.
Where is 4? Yes. No problem. Same.
Okay, now it's okay. Fine. I think it's taking as a Saudi Arabia.
Yes, Saudi Arabia is there.
That is there. That is only.
Alaska, 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 Saudi Arabia. Yes, yes. No. Time
Type
zone.
it Arabia. Find it. You can find Arabia. Type it Arabia. Find it. Go for find it. Just type it Arabia. I can type it to Saudi Arabia. I think you go for United State of Saudi Arabia. Is UAE. 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 Type it UAE. It's not completely different. It's different naming is the name. Okay, fine. Minus 5 is fine.
This is +4. It's +4 UTC. The UTC. This is no.
No problem.
Okay, I will go India.
Yeah.
So we can save it.
Yeah. Save it. I want to assign this company address. Save. Just click on save.
Country
Yes.
EU is not defined.
Yeah. UA is not defined. The country's also is not there. Just click on. Cancel it. Just click on cancel. You're not typing anything. Just click on cancel. That's why you cancel icon. Red color, red color, red color, red color.
What is that?
Again creating. You're not saving now. I said cancel. What are you doing with it?
It's cancelled
Okay,
now.
click on create. Yeah, click on create.
Okay. Now I can
Remove
change.
that. Yeah. Browse it. Two letters. Country key is only two letters, not three letters. No, no, no. Country is only two letters, not three letters. Browse it. You can browse it is fine. You can have identified. Fine, fine, no problem. Click on save. You can getting as overall 230 countries is India. Now see here. Second one Arabia, Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
I don't know. Cancel. Can cancel it. Saudi Arabia is in. Just yes. Where's this
Yes,
entity?
A
Just no.
there.
Yes, UAE. Okay. Now say reason is known. It's not a mandatory field. Only time zone.
Okay. Time zone is +4.
Okay, taking it.
Really +4. UAE not there. But why time zone I cannot find?
Oh, is there? That maybe is different. Iraq, Iran, maybe Iraq, Shiraz,
Yeah.
Israel, no? Saudi Arabia, Israel, no? The
Saudi,
time zone is yes. Yeah,
Saudi,
Israel.
Saudi is not here, no? I cannot see Saudi.
No, no. Israel is a Saudi only. No, stamp is go for
No,
Saudi maybe.
Israel is total +2. We have a +4. Saudi and this Oman. But it's a mandatory field, no? It's not a mandatory field, no? Time zone.
No, no, it's a mandatory field. Time zone is a mandatory. No, no, you take it. Mandatory.
Okay, we'll take this.
Yeah.
A not defined
I think
country.
that's it. Yeah. AE is not defined.
Cancel.
Both are good. IN India. Click on create button.
IN.
Yeah. Click on
IN.
that. No, no. Reason is not a result. So that's why is the reason. Okay. Save it now. No, no. Reason is not a mandatory. It's not a mandatory.
Okay, no
Again, it's a
problem.
sub. Okay. Remove that. Again, with the IN India.
Sorry. Okay,
Yeah, give
remove.
the IND India. Remove that. Time zones. India only.
Yes.
India, India, India. Pilot. Pilot S is there.
Okay.
Okay. Click on save button.
That means you have to create the country.
Yeah, no, yeah, no need. No. Now you see the company address. Okay. You don't have a country. You cannot create the country. ID for SAP is given some country. What is subject? You want again? You can ask for the above department. Those are adding. You cannot do administration case. You not do any adding. Okay.
Mhm.
Now is assigned. Now I want to assign this company address to the my user IDs. Then go for that user IDs. Mass is there below, and mass is there. No, no, not this. You are open one more session. Okay, go for previous session. Audio is open somewhere. Go for
Yes.
scroll.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. Just click on assign the company address. Now select your company address. Where is your company address? Yes, and MBC regulars. Okay. Now click on check the checkbox. Change button. Change is there, na? Icon. Checkbox is there, na? No. Checkbox.
checkbox, where it is this one?
Change checkbox. Change the checkbox. After assign the other company address, we have one checkbox is there.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
click on save. Okay, now 3 members are affected. Okay, now see it, expand below one, not first one. There is a password. This is the below one. Yes. Second one. Second. Yes. Now here, Mushkar, before address. Okay, what happened? Before what address, after what
Yes.
address. Okay, before address and what again explain one by one. Means this is also mass user creation you can done, mass user changes also done. Okay, next one. Okay, now okay, fine. Then go back. Okay, now is that fine. Now, so this is the way of again you have to do the mass log. Again, go back. Again, you want to lock all users, even deleting all users, everything. So everything is mass. Again, go back. Get on just back option. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Again, select all users. I want to lock all user IDs. Just click on lock simple. Yes. Again, check the status. Before what happened, automatic. Again, expand it one by one. Okay. User was logged before and after. Before and after. Again, I
Hmm.
want to unlock it. Again, go there and unlock. Then go back. No, that is different. The last one, go back again. Now
Yeah.
again, select all users, unlock it. Last one. Every time they see the time. Time is different. Okay? After lock is there. Even deletion also select all you can delete it. Like you can do the any mask changes, you can go for SU10. Sir, now I want to create the user ID. This user ID, which group is a basis group or security group or a ABAP team or PICO team? Then what we'll do? We want to creating as a user group. How to create a user group? Then go for transition code SUGR. Go for next one. Let's go over. Is the transition code. Again go back. Again go for initial screen. Add the transition code SUGR. Start the SAP access.
SUGR.
Yes. Okay. Now enter the group name. Any group name. Give the group name. Click on create button. Create icon. Yes.
Okay.
Now give the short description part.
Sorry.
Give the short description. Text is then a text. After that, you can add the user IDs. Now, so yeah, give the short text.
I cannot understand.
Yeah, give the short text. What is the purpose of create this group?
It's a group
This
admin.
is yeah, just right. Group add. Okay, now add the user IDs. This group, what are the user IDs we want to add? Add one by one. Sir, I forgot that user ID. Then what we'll do? We can browse it. M star. Okay, Mushkar one. Enter button. Every time we want to enter. Enter. If I want to know that user is exist or not, enter button. Just click enter. Okay. Suppose the user is now, you can get the error is user is does not exist.
Okay.
Okay, like okay, fine. Now click on save. Okay. So this is the overview of your single user maintenance and mass user maintenance. Sir, now you are taking a full authorization. Now I want to restrict it. Okay, this guy is performing as only few transaction code. So how to restrict it? We'll discuss it tomorrow using as a role concept.
Okay.
Okay.
At the daytime, can I use this?
Yeah, you can using any 24/7. You can use it.
I have to configure in my laptop, I think. So I will give you
Yeah, no
same.
problem.
I will give you same IP in my laptop. It will work.
Yeah, same IP address and same
Okay.
username and same he
Okay.
can working anyway.
Well, at least.
And you can make your address. Please share the address. I will share the previous documentation, architecture, everything.
My address is Maskur 2000 Maskur s @gmail.com.
Okay, can sending to mail address. You can normal one.
I chat it.
Okay.
Have you got it? Chatting?
Yeah, I got muchcourse.at@gmail.com.
Yeah,
Yes.
Maskur's S is there.
Yes, muchcourse. Yeah. Okay. Now I want to end the meeting. Automatically getting one pop-up. Convert this video into the MP4 format. Automatically this pop-up is there. Okay. Now till now is everything. The class is recording.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am the meeting. Automatically getting one pop-up. Just converting into the MP4 format. Alright.
Okay, I will check
Okay.
this.
Yeah. Right. Just click on.